I found a video on YouTube, a video by Papiens. It's titled "Why Koreans Teenagers Study 14 Hours a Day." This thing is quite common among the Asians. Let's watch before I give my opinion.
They are not office workers. They are teenagers.
단속을 피하려고 뷰를 다 꺼놓고 공부를 한다든지 건물 밑 지하 독서실에 일부러 학생을 가둬가지고
Some students go head home, but others go back straight to the library to study until midnight. Why are they sacrificing everything for college? Today, we are taking a closer look at Daechidong, the center of South Korea education system.
어떨 것 같으세요? 죽어야죠.
For some that don't know, I'm a fan of Korean dramas, and some of the movies that they make depict what is happening actually in Korea and how the system works in Korea. And one thing for sure that I know about is this educational system. It is as strict as hell.
Eight out of 10 Korean students receive private education. The private education market surpassed $20 billion, reaching an all-time high. Some star instructors in South Korea earn $10 million a year. And Daechidong in Seoul's Gangnam district is the epicenter of South Korea's education obsession.
약간 쉬는 시간에도 계속 공부를 한다거나 아니면 시험이 끝났는데도 그날 바로 놀지 않고 스카 가서 공부를 한다거나
그 수학여행 갔다가 기차 타고 서울 오는데 거기 안에서도 하고 아니면 잠을 진짜 하루에 2-3시간씩 맨날 자면서 그 친구가 전교 1등이에요 저희 학교.
Wow.
To better understand Korea's college entrance system, we invited an admissions expert. He never went to college, but he's a top student of Andrew Tate's paid course.
Before we begin, to be clear, this video doesn't apply to all Korean students. Just like not every white person is racist, and not every black person like fried chicken just because they are black.
Definitely. You know what? They are also Afghan men who do not take women. Maybe.
University admissions in South Korea are divided into two main tracks, Sunung, or school records. On the same day, at the exact same time, students across the country all sit for that one exam, Sunung. For those 9 hours, the entire nation changes its schedule. The moment the English listening section of Sunung begins, airports suspend aircraft takeoffs and landings, and companies and government offices delay the start of the workday to reduce traffic. And Daechidong is the epicenter of that obsession with education. Just as alcoholics gather in Wisconsin, Korea's top students gather in Daechidong.
But at least the fact that their government is pausing, their government is pausing most activities just to make sure that everybody gets to their destination. There's no traffic, there's minimum traffic on the road, maybe for the exams and all these things. It's actually good though. It's good.
학생들한테
I'm a fan of
대치동이라는 게
education,
의미한 게
education.
어떤 건지.
최상위권 학생들이 몰려 있으니까 타 지역을 가면은 어렸을 때부터 학원을 다니진 않잖아요. 근데 대치동은 솔직히 어렸을 때부터 수학, 국어, 영어 그 정도는 다
뭔가 애들도 더 잘하고 그러니까 학원 분위기도 더 좋고 가르치는 선생님들이나 타 지역에 비해서 훨씬 더 수준이 높은 것 같아요.
This small neighborhood is home to South Korea's most prestigious private tutoring academies. More than 1,400 private academies are packed into this tiny area, but still fewer than Mexico's decapitated bodies. This is Daechidong at 10 p.m. Parents line up to pick up their children, and traffic controllers are even deployed.
학생분 본인은 혹시 몇 살 때부터 학원을 다니셨나요?
8살 때부터
8살 때부터 다니면은 보통 몇 시까지 공부를 하셨었나요, 그때는?
아침부터 저녁 7시, 8시까지는 했던 것 같아요.
수학학원
strict.
하고 저는 국어학원,
At a young
논술
age.
이런 거 다녔던 것 같고 태권도 학원, 뭐 수영 초등학교 때 10시에 끝났던 것 같아요.
한 5학년 때부터 다녔던 것 같습니다. 그때는 10시 끝나면 딱 10시에 맞춰져서 끝냈던 것 같아요.
Lifting back to our school days. We weren't from an education district, right? What did you do after school when you were in elementary school?
Smoking.
Okay. What about
Get
high
coffee and
school?
chase style.
That's all you are doing YouTube right now.
Daechidong's academic competition
Funny.
begins as early as age 6, the so-called 6-year-old exam. To get into Korea's top English academies, children as young as 5 or 6 must take entrance exams. On exam days at prestigious elementary academies, long lines form outside the buildings.
레벨 테스트인가요? 아니면 합격 불합격을 나누는 건가요?
네, 이번 테스트 합격 불합격입니다. 만약에 이번
이번에 저희가 단체로 시험을 봤을 때 커트라인이 안 돼서 학원을 못 다니게 된다면 저희가 2개월 뒤에 다시 응시 가능하십니다.
입학 가능 나이는 7살.
1세부터 가능합니다.
네.
학생 유치원을 여쭤봐도 괜찮으실까요?
There are even medical school prep classes for elementary school students,
Wow.
putting them 7 years ahead of the standard curriculum. Oh, by
But this thing is actually cool though, like prepping those children for the future. But the main thing is that I don't like is when you don't know what a child likes and you don't put. It's better you know what the child likes, the strength of that child, not the strength of that child. Observe it as a parent, then put that child into a path, into the path where his strength or his or her strength lies, rather than forcing them to do something. But talking about prepping them for the future as early as possible is very cool. The only thing I just have a problem about in the Nigerian educational system is the fact that we, at the younger, you begin to learn things that are not beneficial to us over time. Like there are some courses that we don't need that we end up doing. It's of no use to us. Borrowed courses is of no use to us, but we'll do it. That doesn't make sense. I don't like the Nigerian educational system. But this Korean educational system is a very strict educational system, very strict and can be very extreme. That some people, some students even commit suicide if they fail. If they fail because they're under pressure. Some even tend to using drugs, to keep them awake, to keep them focused. Voila for the person that has ADHD.
the way, in Gangnam, health insurance claims related to depression and anxiety disorders among children have more than tripled over the past 5 years. But of course, it's probably because of video games.
What was that?
By the way, in Gangnam, health insurance claims related to depression and anxiety disorders
Exactly.
among children have more than tripled over the past 5 years.
Anxiety.
But of course, it's
the anxiety is too much. From the movies, from the K-drama movies, the anxiety is too much that, as I said, they commit suicide. And the main thing is that the fact that they feel like they can achieve something outside of education, outside of the normal, you having A's, finishing top of your class. But there's more to life than just this normal, traditional means of education. Education is not something that is meant to be traditional. It's vast. Traveling is education. For those that travel around the world, they learn one or two things. That's education. Cooking is education. Whatever you're doing you can learn from anywhere. It doesn't have to be around the major, be a doctor, be an engineer. But that's what their society is, Sha. Because if they end up doing some things, like you have to study some course to be able to earn some kind of money. Because if you don't go to school, you have a lower chance of succeeding in quotes, like of having a good financial future in South Korea. So why wouldn't they be beyond that
probably
pressure?
because of video games.
Video games?
그러면 보통 학교는 언제 정도 끝나시는 편이에요?
한 3시 정도에 끝나는 것 같아요.
그러면 학원은 몇 시에 가셔요?
5-6시 정도.
5시. 그럼 5시에
So you're for
가서
2
몇
hours.
시에 학원이 끝나나요?
10시 정도.
10시에. 그러면 그거를 주 5일 하시는 거예요?
네.
So you go to school, you get back 3 p.m., you rest for 2 hours. Before you even get home, from there you just go to academy, after school, from 5 p.m. to 10 p.m.
평일에는 보통 웬만한 학원은 10시까지 하긴 하는데 부족하다 싶으면은 11시, 12시까지 남기도 해요.
법이 10시까지 학원이 10시까지 끝내야 된다고 법이 있는 걸로 아는데 단속을 피하려고 불을 다 꺼놓고 공부를 한다든지 아니면 건물 밑 지하 독서실에 일부러 학생을 가둬가지고
Damn.
1시나 12시까지 공부를 시키는 게 조금은
그런 학원도 있다. 그런 학원도 있고.
그렇게 하는 걸로 알고 적어도 제가 다니는 학원
Ironically, Suneung is not just a high school exam. Every year, 30% of students retake it, even after becoming elders. To get into a better university, they even challenge the exam 3 or 4 more years.
This man is 25 years old and studies engineering at one of Korea's top 10 universities. But he is preparing for the college entrance exam
Do they
again.
really have life
주말에는
outside of
항상
academy?
이 시간에 나가시면 돼요.
Academics.
오전 7시 이때쯤에.
아, 네, 맞습니다. 네. 주말 오늘보다는 한두 시간 더 일찍 6시쯤 일어나서 도착하면 7시 한 반쯤 되거든요.
This is the admission requirement chart for one of the highest revenue private academies in Korea. They were looking for students with elite Suneung scores or those already attending one of Korea's top 5 universities. In other words, even students already enrolled in Korea's top university.
Guys, there's something I want to chip into. Sorry. like according to their movies, like there's classism in the Korean system. In the Korean system, according to their movies, if you go to some low-level universities, they will not really rate you, even when you end up getting a job, even if you're outstanding. When you end up getting a job into a company, you see people that are like alumni of different schools, maybe Seoul National University, SNU. You know, in that working in that same university that you're working, and you probably went to one university that is low level. The way they will rate you, there'll be division. There's this classism, and they will look down on you because you went to low university. According to their movies, though.
Turn to private academies to study again.
나름 괜찮은 대학교에 다니고 있는 걸로 알아요. 서울에 있는. 근데 그럼 학과가 혹시 어떻게? 컴퓨터공학과면 사실 괜찮지 않아요? 학과가. 도대체 뭐 어떤 걸 목표로 지금?
Okay, then what is the final goal they are studying so hard for?
Okay, let's
본인을 포함해서 어떤 학과에 보통 가고 싶어 하나요?
보통 다 의대
뭔가 나중에 직업이 안정돼 있으니까
스테이블
그래도 아무래도
가요.
다른 데보다는
그래서
의대가 낫지 않을까.
의대 지망하게 될 것 같습니다.
메디컬 쪽에서 일을 하고 싶어서.
So, was all of this sacrifice really worth it just to get into medical school?
Is it?
To find out, I met a student from Daechidong who was accepted into
worth
dental
it?
school.
There are more things you can
근데
do outside
대구
of school.
분이신데 대치동까지 가서 이제 공부를 하신 이유가 따로
일단 대치동이 저희 나라에서 공부의 성지기도 하고 대치동에 그냥 자료, 선생님 모든 게 다 갖춰진 친구들 말 들어보면 그 지방에서 공부하는 애들도 자료 같은 건 어떻게든 다 대치동 걸 받아서 하니까.
This is a Telegram link where Daechidong Academy materials, originally only given to their students, are shared for free. Inside, we found students sharing materials from Daechidong academies with each other. Most of them were mock exams and study materials created by major private academies in Daechidong. But does Daechidong really make that much of a difference?
저는 원래 고등학교 때 학원 안 다닐 때 심지어 대구가 공부를 되게 잘하는 도시임에도 불구하고 국어는 고질병이었는데 대치동 가자마자 어느 정도 고쳐지긴 했어요.
그럼 본인이 거기서 사귀었던 친구들 중에서는 웬만하면 다 의대나 치대를 갔어요?
대치동에서 친구를 많이 사귀진 않았는데 거의 다 한의대 이상 갔는 것 같아요.
This is one of the most prestigious private academies in Korea. This academy sent over 70 students to top medical schools in just one admission cycle. That's right, Daechidong was truly different.
지금 여기가 지금 대치동의 중심지라고 할 수 있는 음마 아파트인데요. 이 아파트의 가격이 현재 거의 40억에 달합니다. 이 아파트가 1979년에 지었습니다. 그러면은 약 47년이 지난 아파트인데 강남이라서 비싼 게 아니냐 이런 말이 나올 수 있거든요. 근데 여기가 월세도 보증금이 4억에 월세가 거의 100만 원이에요.
와우.
대치동에서 만약에 공부를 시키고 싶은 학부모가 있다면 여기로 잠깐 이사를 와서 학생들 공부를 시키는 거죠. 왜냐면 대치동의 한 중간에 있기 때문에 학원 보내기도 좀 더 수월하고 거기로 이사를 가신 거예요.
이사를 간 게 아니라 거기에 학원들이 있으니까 그 학원 옆에서 그 학생들을 재워주는 것도 생기고 돈 많으신 분들은 그냥 호텔에서 장기 투숙하시는 분도 계시고 저 호텔에서 했거든요.
네.
근데 제가 돈이 많다는 게 아니라 한 그때 150, 160 줬던 것 같아요.
달에 150. 그럼 달에 150에 학원비는 혹시 아세요?
그 제 학원 대치동 생활에만 거의 월 1,000 조금 넘게 깨졌다고 했던 것 같아요.
그러면 학생 본인은 왜 의대를 가고 싶으세요?
저는 일단 제일 인정된 직업이잖아요. 레지던트를 끝내고 바로 의사 일을 시작하면은 최소한의 그 기대 수익이라는 게 있으니까.
페이 닥터를 하는 순간부터
Imagine you now have to study so hard, you get into medical school, you finish as a medical doctor, and later you just change your path, career path. After all the stress of studying medicine, like preparing to study medicine and end up studying medicine, you now say you are not going to be a medical doctor again. You have chosen a new career path. We died here. You have to study that medicine. You have to continue working as a medical doctor. You died here. To an African parent.
많이 높아지죠. 못해도 월 한 1,000에서 1,500원 번다고 한 것 같아요.
그럼 개원을 한? 그분들은 한 어느 정도를 벌어가시나요?
망하지만 않는다면 2억 그 이상? 잘 버시는 분들은 진짜 10억 넘게 버시는 분들도 있고.
The average annual salary in Korea is around $32,000, roughly 1/4 of what doctors earn. That's why many people continue retaking the medical school entrance exam, even after failing 3 or 4 times.
그러면 점심 시간이 몇 분이에요? 학원 꼴인데 한 20분 정도면 다 없고
That's impressive though, the way they study. Dedication towards it.
가는 건 이제 또 이제 시험 사이클에도 안 맞으니까 시간 아무리 참아보려고
Sleeping doesn't fit into your
한
schedule.
새벽 2시부터
Okay, 6 hours.
8시까지 자서 6시 정도,
That's different. That's
6시간
different.
정도 자고
저 한 5시간 정도 자는 거
5
같고
hours. That's
학교
getting too low.
끝나고 바로 학원 가서 공부하다 학원 가고 끝나고 뭐 스카 가서 공부하고.
근데 사실 일요일에 뭐 이 시간쯤이면 주말에는 보통 다 놀잖아요. 쉬거나 집에서. 학생 본인도 약간 뭐 놀고 싶다거나 쉬고 싶다거나 이렇진 않아요?
놀러 가고 싶고 여행 가고 싶고 한데 뭐 좋은 결과 가지고 놀러 가는 게 더.
Even if top students don't get into medical school, why not just give up and find something else they can enjoy?
I know.
Do you love your job?
You mean YouTube?
They will,
Yeah,
they
the
will, they will
income is
not
small,
join.
but I have friends.
They will keep trying.
A
Some might
friend
even
named
fail
Jasper
8 times before they
even
get
sent
in.
me a fan mail last month.
Okay,
They will
then
fail,
what
like-
if
Some will fail 8 times. Some will fail 6 times before they get into that medical school. They will not finish as a doctor. You now tell them not to be arrogant. That's why you have some people that are so arrogant that they can't take bullshit. Like somebody will now study to become a researcher, a professor. You are now calling the person Mr. Michael, Mr. Bada, Mr. Jean, Mr. King. No, you have to put that professor. It has to be Professor Kim. Professor Kim, you have to put it. That's why you see some people that are sadists in universities. After they've studied that they become a professor. You now start becoming sadistic.
With just a little more effort, you could have a job making $15,000 a month, but Jesper would be disappointed because you quit YouTube. What did you do?
Who the fuck is Jasper? 그런 나라도 있겠지만 유독 한국이 뭔가 학구열이 좀 훨씬 세고 의대, 치대, 한의대 뭐 이런 데에 보내고 싶어하는 경향이 세잖아요. 그럼 사수생의 입장에서 본인이 생각했을 때 왜 그런 문화가 생긴 건지.
일반적인 전문직이나 고소득을 받으시는 직장인분들은 본인 세대만큼의 그 높은 부의 세습이 힘들잖아요. 완전히
그렇죠.
순전히 물려받는 게
많이 받을 수는 없으니까.
취직을 물려받을 수는 없으니까. 제 주관인데 주위에 한 70%? N수한 애들이 한 70%는 부모님들이 이제 전문직이시거나 의사시거나 그때는 이제 부모님의 쌓아놓으신 것들을 물려받을 수가 있잖아요.
의사로서 이렇게
그쵸.
해놓았던
네.
것들을 그대로 물려받을 수 있어요. 병원이라던가 뭐
네.
이런 것.
그래서 부모님이 가라고 압박하지 않아도 본인 스스로가 느끼고 다른 직업을 생각 안 하고 많이 몰두하는 경향이 있죠.
Many Korea parents who grew up between the 1960s and 1980s, the formula was simple. Study hard, get into a good university, get a good job, build a better life.
That was the mantra in Nigeria too. That was a mantra in Nigeria. But now, the Gen Zs and some of the millennials in Nigeria, they are not taking the old route again. Some even go to school, medical school, law school, after spending so much, only for them to start doing music in Nigeria, or start doing something else, or becoming a tech. Somebody studied law, finished as a lawyer, called to bar, only to now start doing tech. A product designer, blah blah. I studied microbiology. I finished first class in my department at FUNAB, Federal University of Agriculture, Abeokuta, Nigeria. I finished first class, 4.73 out of 5 points CGPA. I was the best graduate student in my department and in my faculty, my college of biosciences. And now, man, see where I am. I even went to do masters in Lagos State, Lagos University, Teaching University, UNILAG, LUT, to do medical microbiology. I had not finished though. There was strike. I stopped going to school later after the strike. Then I traveled to Brazil. Then I studied, I learned product design. I'm out of that part of microbiology. I don't even know whether to even resume, to start to go and do my master's here in São Paulo, Brazil. Medical microbiology, virology. I don't know. But see the part. That part is changing already in Nigeria and some parts of the world. It doesn't mean that you study this, you have to now go into this thing. That was the old mantra. Now Gen Zs are not even giving a shit about the traditional means of education. They rather do something else.
Many parents experienced education changing their own lives. It's natural that they continue to trust the same system. And children raised by parents and teachers who believe in this system gradually grow up believing that getting into a good university is the only way to build a better life.
약간 신뢰되는 질문일 수도
That's what they
있는데
believe.
예를 들어서 그럼 이번 수능에서 그 정도의 성적이 안 나와요. 메디컬 대학교를 갈 수 있을 만한 성적이 안 나와요. 그러면은 어떨 것 같으세요?
죽어야죠.
에?
죽을 각오를 열심히 한 죽을 각오로 열심히 하시겠다.
I believe him. I believe him. I believe him.
이게 오전 7시에서 8시 사이에 일어나서 오전 9시까지 학원을 가고 오전 9시부터 오후 10시까지 공부하는 거. 그거를 또
10 p.m.
일주일 그리고 1년 내내 계속 한다는 것 자체가 어떻게 보면 조금 비인간적으로도 볼 수 있는 거잖아요. 좀 비정상적으로 볼 수도 있는 거고.
관점을 바꾸면 그래도 정상으로 생각해요.
They were all simply making the best choices they believed they could. Parents wanted to give their children more opportunities. Students wanted a better future. A good university leads to a better life. To some extent, this is true. But when society tells people that a good university is the only path to a better life, education becomes a burden, not a chance for a better future.
Of course, effort is something valuable. But if a society designs competition only in a way that forces children to sacrifice their childhood, we need to ask ourselves at least once, is this really what we call success?
그냥 본인의 꿈이 있을 거 아니에요.
네네.
꿈이 어떻게 되는지 마지막으로 여쭤보고 싶거든요.
저는 부모님 은혜로 제가 잘 자란 만큼 저도 제 다음 세대, 제 자식들한테 그 이상의 것을 누리게 해주고 싶습니다.
That's good. That's good.
근데 그러면 사실 그런 꿈은 제 기준에서는 약간 좀 평범한 가정을 이뤄내서 좀 키워내고 싶다 이런 생각 같은데
네네.
그 꿈은 사실 의대를 안 가고도 이뤄낼 수 있잖아요.
근데 저에게 있어서는 사회에 도움이 되는 일을 하면서 높은 보수를 받는 것이 제가 일을 하면서 큰 자부심이 될 것 같습니다. 그리고 서울 평균 집값이 한 13억 정도 되는 걸로 아는데 제가 일반적인 직장 생활을 하면서 살 수 없을 것 같아요.
중학교 때 한번 번아웃이 왔어요.
You burnout. You burnout.
생활을 계속 지속해야 되는지. 중학교 때는 거의 이제 6년 남았으니까
6 long years ahead
먼
of you.
미래잖아요.
Bro, if you continue like this, you might end up dropping dead.
나서는 어쩔 수 없이 받아들여야 된다고 생각해요. 잘
That's what the system.
행복한 것
That's what
같아요.
the system is doing in South Korea.
행복해요.
졸업을 하고 나서는 어떻게 좀 즐기고 싶으세요?
여행을 많이 다니고 싶어요.
Between 2021 and 2025, took their own lives. You see, exactly. They commit suicide. These movies that they make, the K-dramas, they depict some of these things. It's the reality of some people. You get killing themselves because of education. I know it's not easy. Seriously, I know it's not easy. You know, some face pressure from the society, from their parents, especially those ones that you have to study medicine, you have to study law because we are lawyers and all those stuff like that. It's better to be disowned than to die or to kill yourself, to take your own life. For 5% of these cases. Imagine.